On the internet, everybody talks about how to improve communication. Everybody saying that do this, do that, and you will improve your communication. Well, after doing multiple things and trying multiple stuffs, I encounter a very big problem. And the problem is not communication, it's more structure. We forgot कि we have to structure it in such a way कि आगे वाला जो person है, the next person able to absorb it. Well, here that's why I am making this video on how to structure the format and how to structure every speech and every word that comes out of our mouth. How to structure each part. And in this video, we are going to learn and see all the exercises to improve that. Starting with it, if you ask me what is structure, so have you ever read any of the magazine and any of the newspaper? So starting they have a hook, and in the middle they have a body, and at last they tell the crux and summary of it in such a way that it is easily digestible. So when you read the whole article, you find it very interesting. You doesn't find it कि it is a vacuum way of saying that. You doesn't find it vacuum कि मैं शुरू में start किया and now at the last you forgot that what is in the initial. That never happened with the article. And this is what structure is. And if you have a great structure, you don't need any of the communication tactics or anything. Okay, small tactics of that doesn't really help it. The main thing that helps is structure, and to improve it, well, I have a great exercise to tell you. It only required your less than 40 minutes a day, and it will drastically improve the way you structure every sentence, whatever you speak. And we know the communication we do only have three forms: first speak, second write, and third listen. And this one covers all of it. I mean all of it in just less than 40 minutes. So hear me out. So I call it article reading. Article reading? Yes, article reading. So what you have to do, you have to take out just any article. जैसे मेरे पास The Economist का है. You can take out any article, and I would say कि go with the top magazine because their English is very good. So take out any of the article, and what you have to just do, read a particular section of it. Any article, जैसे इसमें an article on Indian baby burst. You just have to read this article, and after reading whole article, keep in mind two things: how writer structure the whole article, and second, remember the key points. After that, after reading the whole article, take a break, take a blank sheet of paper, and write whatever you have read on that article, all the things and what you feel, and structure it in your way. It doesn't, I know कि in starting it will not look good as compared to the article, or it will be very bad, very bad. 1 to 2 draft is good in the future, but not in present. After that, after doing that, after writing part, you just have to take out your phone. In my short videos, I have told you keep recording yourself and using a feedback mechanism to it is the best way to improve communication, and you have to do it here. You have to explain that topic to yourself in your video. Simple as that. Just explain it again and again for 5 minutes. Explain whatever you think about that article and whatever you have summarized from it. Explain it on the mobile. That's it. And after doing all three, you don't have to do anything. On the next day, and the next day stop. Take out that video, and you have seen multiple videos. You are watching this video on YouTube, and you have seen multiple videos on YouTube. So I don't think so you will have a problem. Where is the problem you are facing while speaking? Write that problem. Just write the problem, and in the next video try not to do that. Try to be as structured as the original article is written. And that's it what you have to do. Only 3 steps, 40 minutes, and everything will be structured for you. I feel like everybody should know this practice and should do it to improve yourself. Thank you.